Hello English learners! Let's download this amazing book in the description to boost your English skills. Are you looking to take your English language skills to the next level? Look no further than Collocations in Use, Intermediate Level, an essential guide for language learners. In this book, you'll find a comprehensive collection of commonly used word combinations, known as collocations. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to enhance their language proficiency, this book is the perfect resource for you. But wait, there's more! To make it even easier for you to access this valuable content, we have created a YouTube channel where you can download the ebook for free. All you have to do is visit our channel and click on the link provided in the video description. We would greatly appreciate your support in helping us reach a wider audience. If you find this book helpful, please share it with your friends, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest releases and language learning tips. Thank you for joining us on this exciting language learning journey. We can't wait to see you on our YouTube channel. Happy learning! Here are some collocations of make and do in the book. Let's rock!
1. Make arrangements for. The school can make arrangements for pupils with special needs. 2. Make a change. The new manager is planning to make some changes. 3. Make a choice. Amelia had to make a choice between her career and her family. 4. Make a comment. Would anyone like to make any comments on the talk? 5. Make a contribution to. She made a useful contribution to the discussion. 6. Make a decision. I'm glad it's you who has to make the decision, not me. 7. Make an effort. Michael is really making an effort with his maths this term. 8. Make an excuse. I'm too tired to go out tonight. Let's make an excuse and stay at home. 9. Make friends. Caroline is very good at making friends. 10. Make an improvement. Repainting the room has really made an improvement. 11. Make a mistake. They've made a mistake in our bill. 12. Make a phone call. I've got to make some phone calls before dinner. 13. Make progress. Holly is making progress with all her schoolwork.
Collocations with do.
1. Do your best. All that matters in the exam is to do your best. 2. Do damage. The storm did some damage to our roof. 3. Do an experiment. We are doing an experiment to test how the metal reacts with water. 4. Do exercises. We'll do some exercises practicing these collocations tomorrow. 5. Do someone a good turn or do someone a favor. Could you do me a favor and pick me up some milk from the supermarket? Jess did me a good turn by lending me her car while mine was in the garage. 6. Do harm. Changing the rules may do more harm than good. 7. Do your hair. No, I'm not ready. I haven't done my hair yet. 8. Do your homework. My son has to do his homework straight after school. 9. Do the ironing, shopping, washing, etc. I'll do the washing if you do the ironing. 10. Do some work. We'll do some work on our project and then we'll go to the cinema.